Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial of downloading an incredibly important app on your Fire TV stick or Fire TV. I'm talking about installing a solid VPN and protecting your online activity. A VPN is a simple, low-cost online security solution that you can install on every device you own. You heard right, you can protect unlimited devices with only one subscription, so you're not limited to only 3 or 4 devices per account. We use a VPN for lots of reasons, but the most important is to stay completely anonymous when you're online. This way, you can view, watch, and download whatever you like without the risk of being hacked or fined. Any idea what VPN we're suggesting to try? That's right, we're talking about IPVanish. This is our #1 go-to VPN solution that helps protect all your devices. Here is the step-by-step process of how you can install the IPVanish app on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. Press the home button on your Fire Stick remote. 1. If the home screen appears, click Search on the top left corner. 2. Type in IPVanish and look for the correct site in the results. 3. Click on the IPVanish icon. 4. Select Download or Get. 5. Open your IPVanish app and enter your login username and password. 6. Click on Login. After installing the IPVanish VPN app on our device, we need a username and password. How to sign up for IPVanish VPN using your computer or mobile phone. Visit www.websafetytips.com/IPVanish to get a special offer for your purchase. A discount code is automatically applied when you enter your payment method. Click on Get IPVanish. Choose your IPVanish plan. You get the deepest discounts when you buy annual plans. To create an account, enter a valid email address and your password. Your email address will be used as your username. Select your preferred payment method. You can pay with credit card or PayPal. Fill in the details to continue. When you click on Pay with credit card or Pay with PayPal, a message will appear. You need to click the Agreement checkbox. The WST coupon will be applied automatically. Tap on the I agree checkbox above. Reminder, you can always cancel your account, and IPVanish offers a 30 days money-back guarantee. A confirmation email will be sent to your email account. Open your email account and click on the green button, Verify Address. IPVanish thanks you for your order and at the same time provides you with all the details you need to use it. You are ready to go now. Fill in the username and password boxes with your personal details, the ones you use to purchase the IPVanish subscription, and click on Sign In. You have now successfully signed up for an IPVanish account, and you are ready to start your safe journey through the internet without experiencing any malicious third-party interference or speed throttling from your internet service provider. Tap on the green button Connect, and a connection request prompt will appear. Click on OK. Choose the country and city you want to use as your visible connection. Try different servers around the world and choose which one works best for you. Server speed depends on where you're located, so make some tests to decide the best server for your device. This is especially helpful when you're trying to stream sports that are blacked out in your region. Keep adjusting the server until you have a winner. Click on Connect for the first time, and within a few seconds, you will see your visible location is changed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about how to install IPVanish on your Fire Stick or Fire TV, we're happy to assist you in the comment section. Hit subscribe and like if you liked this video. New video coming up soon. Until next time.